Hello, my most amazing artists, and welcome back to another episode of Miss Guzman's virtual art class. Today we're learning about symmetry. Symmetry means it's the same on both sides. You can find symmetry in all kinds of things in nature. What can you think of that is symmetrical? One of the most beautiful things that is symmetrical is a butterfly, and that's what we're going to be making today. Here are some pictures of some butterflies for inspiration. Alright you guys, so for today's art materials or art media, it can be up to you, but all you're going to need is drawing tools and something to draw on. For my art media, I'm going to choose chalk, so I brought all of my chalks outside, and then I'm going to be drawing on the blacktop or the concrete. I started off by clearing off the space that I was going to draw in. Make sure to ask if it's okay to draw in the place that you pick. Everything that is symmetrical has what is called a line of symmetry. The line of symmetry can be defined as the imaginary line that passes through the center of an object that divides it into identical halves. A butterfly has many parts: a head, a thorax, an abdomen, eyes, antenna, forewings, hind wings, and scales. At the top of the line of symmetry that you drew, draw a circle. I drew mine about the size of my fist. Under the head, make a long oval for the thorax. Do you see how the line of symmetry divides my oval in half vertically? Under that, make a smaller oval for the abdomen. Make two small ovals inside the head for the eyes. For the forewing, start at the top of the thorax and make a curved diagonal line. Make that curved line go all the way around till it hits the middle of the thorax. That will be the forewing. To make it symmetrical, do the same thing on the other side. Start at the top of the thorax, go all the way up in a big long diagonal line, and curve it down and around. It's okay if it's not exactly the same on both sides. You can go back in and draw it bigger or smaller as you need. To make the hind wing, start at the middle of the thorax and make a long diagonal line down. Make yours however you want it. Middle of the thorax, long curvy diagonal line down. Wrap it back up and around till it touches the top of the abdomen. Chalk can be messy, and it doesn't come with an eraser. So if you mess up, it's okay to keep going because you can layer the chalk to cover mistakes. Once you get the wings in the shape that you would like, it's time to design the scales. Scales? Yep, you heard that right. Scales are the color, design, and pattern on the wings. For my scales, I'm doing 3 teardrop shapes in each of the wings. Remember, whatever you do on one side has to be reflected across the line of symmetry to the other side. You can make whatever designs, patterns, and shapes on your butterfly that you would like. Now I'm adding other shapes, like circles. 4 circles on each of the forewings. It's color time! Color each of the designs that you made, as long as they're symmetrical. I almost forgot. Add the antenna. There'll be 2 curled lines coming from the top of your butterfly's head. Cute! Yellow on one side, yellow on the other, orange on one side, orange on the other. That's how it works across the line of symmetry. Now here's a really cool optional technique that you can do. If you have any soft brush, you can use it to knock the extra chalk into the creases in the concrete. This will give your artwork a nice, smooth, and fully colored finish. As you can see, I'm dusting off the paintbrush in my hand before I change colors or switch to a different part. Another really fun chalk technique is to add water. Pick a color and outline your entire butterfly. Then dip your paintbrush in water and go over those lines. It'll make those lines very bold and bright. It really makes your butterfly pop off the pavement. Add any finishing touches, and voila! Your butterfly is complete, and it's symmetrical. It looks amazing. Rejoice and have fun with your butterfly until the rain comes and washes it away. And don't forget to send me your pictures of what you made on Class Dojo. I really want to see them. Thanks for doing art with me today. Great job, you guys, and I'll see you next time.